Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to change default search engine in Safari. Why would you want to know how to change the default search engine in Safari? Well, maybe it is your first time using an iPhone and not sure how to change the default search engine in Safari. So today I am going to show you how to change the default search engine in Safari. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Changing the default search engine in Safari is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all iOS devices. Let me show how you will change the default search engine in Safari. First of all, open settings in your iPhone and now first scroll down this page until we found Safari and then tap on it. Now in this screen click on search engine and Google is my default search engine. And now click on new search engine and then you can search anything on Safari with new search engine. So there you go. If you were wondering how to change the default search engine on Safari, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.